Yo, what's up guys? I'm showing you how to reset your computer to factory settings and wipe everything off of it. So you're going to go down here into the Windows search bar and type in reset, and it should come up right here, reset this PC. I'm also recording this with my camera, not OBS, because OBS is going to be able to record the computer like shutting down and stuff. Then click on reset this PC, get started. You can either choose to remove everything or keep your files. This removes all your files, your apps, and settings. This will move your apps and your settings, but keep your files. So I'm going to be getting rid of my apps, everything, just wiping it all. So I'm just going to do all drives, and then just remove my files, which this is quicker but less secure. Use this if you're keeping the PC. Remove files and clean the drive. This might take a few hours, but makes it harder for someone to recover your removed files. Use this if you're recycling the PC. I'm just going to remove like the more simple one, because I'm not like selling the computer. I'm just having some really bad problems with it. So settings, resetting will remove all the personal files and user accounts on this PC. Any apps and programs that didn't come with this PC. Any changes made to settings. This will take a while and your PC will restart. So we're going to go ahead and click on reset. It's gonna pull this thing up here or whatever to see here loading. It's gonna start to do it. Please mind you, this might take a while. I'm probably gonna have to cut this a little bit and then come back later. Anyway, yeah, so I'll see you guys whenever this loading and everything is done. Alright guys, that loading is finally finished. Now it's bringing me to the restarting page. So this is obviously where the computer restarts. It's probably gonna like start shutting down and deleting files and whatnot. So yeah, I'm on a black screen right now. Alright. Here we go. Please wait. Resetting this PC. Okay, so this is probably going to take quite a while for it to go through this phase. As you can see, it's at 1%. It's going to take a while, so anyways, I'm going to go ahead and cut this, and I'll see you guys in like whenever the next thing pops up or whatever. So after that, guys, it's gonna, after the computer like boots up or whatever, that last page was we were on, it's gonna bring you to this installing Windows page. Please don't turn off your PC. This will take a while. So after whatever like the next loading screen is or whatever, I'll update you guys on that. Also want to let you guys know, it says that your PC will restart several times down here in the corner. So if it's turning off and on, that's most likely why. Alright guys, so it's brought me to this Dell loading screen now. So I'll update you guys on whatever comes next. Alright guys, so it did that Dell loading screen for a second and it's brought me back here. I think that's your PC restarting thing it was talking about. So yeah. Alright guys, so after that screen, it brought me to like the setup your computer screen. I don't want to show the names of my Wi-Fi networks and stuff just in case it means something or you guys to see where I live somehow off of that. I don't know. But anyways, let's see you guys on the other side of setting up Windows 10 and everything. Alright guys, so I've gone through and put in the information and Windows appears to be setting up now. Yeah, we're gonna get ready for you. So it's just gonna go through on this loading screen, display some messages. It's basically the computer's just like starting up or whatever. I don't really know. Anyway, I'll see you guys once all this part of it is done. And there's that, guys. The computer is set up now. You can see the only thing here, I used to have a custom background. I used to have all these apps, now it's just a recycling bin. So yeah, you guys can see that reset it. You see all my programs, the Gone my taskbar. Yeah, Cortana was set up, no thank you. And yeah, basically everything is all ready now. You just gotta go through, download your apps, download, you know, your browsers, all that kind of stuff, change it to whatever kind of settings you like if you want to change it. That's about it. It's honestly really easy. If you guys found this video helpful though, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day. Peace out.